Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead video for you. Now, of course, you know I had to throw in a healthcare job. Of course, the links, as always, to all the pages that I share, if you want to come read the reviews or put that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Multi-Plan. Now, they are an insurance company or offer insurance plans. They have 397 reviews on their Glassdoor page with an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a medical claims resolution specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only. It is a full-time position, but they do have a specific time zone they want you to work in. And that is going to be Monday through Friday, 40 hours a week, scheduled between the hours of 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that Central Time Zone, you'll have to convert your hours and time zone to that to see if it'll work for you. They provide virtual training programs and on the job after you get through training, coaching, and mentoring. So they do offer complete paid training. Now, one thing to note about this position, they're looking for somebody to be a medical claims specialist negotiating the fees that they have to pay out to providers. So it does say 40% of this job is going to be phone-based, with the other 60% being non-phone based. So just know that going in, it is going to be outbound phone calls, I do believe. But they are basically looking for somebody to manage a high volume of their healthcare claims, maximizing saving opportunities for Multi-Plan, the insurance company, on each claim with the established department production standards. So you're going to perform provider research to provide support for desired savings. You're going to reach out to the provider. That's where the phone piece comes in. You're going to reach out to the provider and try to negotiate a settlement offer or payment offer with the provider that they'll accept from Multi-Plan for services in full, basically. So you're going to address any counter offers that the provider throws out there and present any proposal for resolution while sticking to guidelines and policy. So it does say you'll initiate the provider phone call, so it is going to be outbound phone calls. Again, 40% of the job will be on the phone. You'll also have to do some provider education to the providers about how to use the online portal. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no college degree is needed. They're looking for a minimum of a high school diploma or GED with 6 months experience within the healthcare industry. And that can be provider billing, medical coding, provider collections, insurance, managed care, all of those. They do want a full year of experience is highly preferable, but they will accept 6 months. They want somebody who's familiar with state laws, like HIPAA laws, things like that. If you have workers' compensation knowledge, that is a bonus or a plus. Of course, you have to have good communication skills, good negotiating skills, and be able to identify issues and determine a course of action. So someone who can make decisions quickly and is a problem solver. They also want somebody who can work with those Microsoft systems, Word, Excel, Outlook, all the things. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, pay for this position is $19.78 an hour to $20 an hour. So basically $20 an hour. They also offer standard benefit package, medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep an eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. If you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful to you, leave that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.